Welcome to Case Study Series in Information Technology by skilled MBA Henkel's digital transformation in the supply chain sector exemplifies strategic innovation and leadership. By embracing Industry 4.0, Henkel redefined its operations, integrating advanced technologies to enhance efficiency and responsiveness. This journey highlights the importance of a visionary approach in adapting to technological advancements, setting a benchmark for others in the industry. Henkel embarked on its digital transformation in 2011, led by Dr. Dirk Holbach, Corporate Senior Vice President of Supply Chain. This initiative aimed to revolutionize their supply chain through strategic innovation, setting a benchmark in the industry for digital leadership and operational excellence. Rising customer expectations necessitated faster delivery, personalization, and transparency. Global operations demanded improved coordination and visibility across facilities. Additionally, market volatility required businesses to respond swiftly to demand fluctuations, emphasizing the need for agility in operations. Industry 4.0 principles revolutionize operations through automation, employing robotics to boost efficiency and minimize manual tasks. Data analytics harness big data for trend prediction and operational optimization. Real-time monitoring ensures continuous performance tracking for swift corrective actions. Cloud integration facilitates seamless data sharing across global operations, enhancing coordination and visibility. From 2011 to 2013, digital strategies were formulated, launching pilot projects in Europe. Between 2014 and 2016, smart factories with Internet of Things for predictive maintenance emerged. In 2017-2018, advanced analytics enhanced supply and demand planning. By 2019-2020, workforce upskilling in digital skills and artificial intelligence applications expanded. The Smart Factory Network connects production facilities, enabling centralized monitoring and control. IoT sensors are integrated for equipment health monitoring and predictive maintenance. Advanced analytics enhance demand forecasting and inventory optimization. Comprehensive training programs build digital fluency, ensuring the workforce is equipped to leverage these technologies effectively. Automation and process optimization have led to a 30% efficiency gain in manufacturing operations. Predictive maintenance and real-time quality control systems have reduced waste by 25%. Additionally, response time to market changes and demand fluctuations has improved by 40%. Enhancing overall operational agility. Smart systems have cut energy consumption by 20% in manufacturing facilities. Digital inventory management has decreased raw material waste by 15%. Intelligent monitoring systems have reduced water usage in production by 18%. These sustainability efforts significantly enhance operational efficiency and environmental responsibility. Integrating new systems with legacy infrastructure posed compatibility challenges. Employee resistance to change hindered adoption, highlighting the need for effective change management. Significant capital investment was required for global implementation. Additionally, bridging skill gaps by finding talent with both industry knowledge and digital expertise proved challenging. Maintaining momentum in digital initiatives requires sustained investment and focus. Global scaling involves replicating successful models across diverse contexts. Advanced technology adoption, including artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation, is crucial for driving further improvements. These strategic considerations ensure the digital supply chain transformation remains effective and adaptable. Dr. Holbach's leadership approach focused on a vision-driven strategy, clearly defining the end state for digital supply chain transformation. He ensured cross-functional alignment, by fostering collaboration between information technology, operations, and business units. His incremental implementation strategy emphasized phased approaches with quick wins, while prioritizing talent development by upskilling the existing workforce instead of replacing them. AI-driven decision-making enables autonomous systems to make operational decisions independently. Extended reality applications, such as augmented reality, virtual reality, enhance remote maintenance, training, and operational visualization. Blockchain integration improves supply chain transparency and traceability through distributed ledger technology. Digital transformation demands a holistic approach, integrating technology, people, and processes. Align digital investments with core business strategies for maximum impact. Strong leadership and change management are crucial for success. Remember, transformation is a continuous journey, not a one-time project. Henkel's journey highlights the importance of aligning strategic vision with business objectives. Prioritize human development alongside technology to ensure successful implementation. Select technologies that address specific operational challenges. Consistently track performance metrics to demonstrate value and guide necessary refinements, ensuring continuous improvement and alignment with strategic goals. Thank you, and explore more transformative business strategies with Skilled MBA. Enhance your strategic insights and execution skills. Connect with us at support@skilledmba.com or visit skilledmba.com for further learning opportunities.